Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. In today's video, we are talking about how Uber's stock price is actually exploding right now, which I'm super surprised about because I know that Uber drivers across the nation, across the world, you know, they're upset, they're quitting, they're protesting, they're getting deactivated. From, I guess, an outside standpoint, Uber looks like it's, you know, falling apart. But behind closed doors on the inside, Uber's actually doing really, really well, my friends. And, you know, quite frankly, Uber CEO recently came out and said, well, inflation's actually really good for Uber, you know, because, oh, there's so many, now people are really desperate, needing cash, so they end up driving for Uber. And so, you know, the Uber companies are like, you know, cashing out big. Uber executives are cashing out big. They're getting bonuses, they're getting raises, making millions, billions of dollars, while drivers, you know, they're just looking to make a couple of extra bucks. So let's get started with the video. We're talking about Uber stock, which, by the way, we have a sponsor, Public. When you sign up for public.com with our link and make a deposit, they're going to give you up to $1,000 in free stock. And also want to thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the app that's giving drivers guaranteed pay. And for the rest of this month, if you sign up, they're going to send you $15 when you link your gig account. Absolutely for free. That's available everywhere across the nation. So without further ado, let's get started. So look at this, my friends. Uber Technologies stock rises Wednesday and outperforms the market. Let me scoot over so we can fully see all over here. Shares of Uber Technology rallied 5.6% to $32 Wednesday on what proved to be an all-around great trading session for the stock market, with the NASDAQ composite index blah, blah, blah. The stock's rise snapped a 2-day losing streak. Uber Technologies closed $16 short of its 52-week high of $48. But yeah, it's up to $32. The stock demonstrated a mixed performance when compared to some of its competitors. Lyft rose 3%. Hire Car rose 12%. Oh, Hire Car, wow. We actually have a link below for Hire Car too if you want to get a rental car. Maybe we should make a whole video about that. I didn't even know they're on the public stock market. But yeah, guys, Uber's doing pretty dang well. I don't know if you've seen our recent, well, not our recent, but the recent interview with the Rideshare Guy, Harry Campbell, and Uber CEO, but we actually made a reaction video to that. And Uber CEO talked a lot about, you know, how Uber's actually doing quite well right now. So go check this out. It's doing pretty well. It's got 500 views, but we, you know, talk about everything. Where we react to the whole interview with Harry Campbell and Uber CEO. And honestly, I have to say it, I don't think Uber CEO like did that bad of a job. I think he actually, you know, shared that, you know, they're actually, like, Uber's actually doing a pretty good job with managing the chaos in the country. I think Uber is very confident about the way that they're handling things, and it seems like Uber's going to be around for quite a while, up until the point where Tesla takes over. Then I don't have confidence in Uber anymore. I'm sorry, but when Tesla releases their driverless robo-taxi fleet, I think Uber's dust, unless they can I think maybe they'll partner with Tesla. I don't know. Maybe not, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on this one. Sign up for Solo with our link below in the description box. They're going to send you $15 when you use our link and link your gig account. Or if you want to get free stock, you can sign up for Public with our link below too. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.